So we're making chocolate covered dates, and it's only 2 ingredients: dates and chocolate. And all you gotta do is take the date and
I'm also
So
stuffing them.
we melted the chocolate in the microwave.
You see what I'm doing?
But now we put an almond
or peanuts or
or a
whatever.
peanut inside the date.
I like it that way.
Did I like it that way?
You had some stuffed ones.
They were stuffed.
Some of them were, not all of them.
It's probably why they tasted more firm, which is why I liked them, because I thought I thought I wasn't gonna like them.
Really?
Yeah.
You're so cute.
Because I thought they would taste mushy.
Oh, I'm so smart.
I am so smart. SMRT. And then we just
Plop them over
put
here.
them on the tray.
Last year I made some with it had like a cream filling in there. They were really good. I thought they were not gonna be as good. I was kind of skeptical until I tasted it, and it was really good.
Skeptical.
Sometimes what you do is you can mix it with white chocolate as well.
What's white chocolate? Is it chocolate?
Chocolate, but it's all more sugar. More sugar than the regular chocolate.
But why is it white?
Because they bleach it.
Is that true?
I should know this.
I think it comes from a different part of the cocoa bean.
I think you're right. See how the chocolate is starting to get thick?
Yeah. Is that because it's cooling off?
Yes, you gotta work with this.
So you gotta microwave it again?
You can, but it's still kind of pretty warm. So I'm just gonna work with this until I feel like I can no longer work with it.